Today we're doing a maze builder in Scratch. So the way this is going to work is we're going to do it to randomly generate a new maze. Then once it randomly generates one, it brings up the maze and activates it. Then we have to use our character to get to the end. So first of all, we need to first make a character. So I'm just going to stick with this cat, but then make the size like 20%. You can customize your character however you want. Oops. You can customize your character however you want. I'm just customizing it like this. That's a bit too small. 30. 50. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, that's good enough. This is going to be our main character. So this is going to be a simple game, so we're going to do simple things. Duplicate this, this, and then duplicate this. So yeah, these are the simple controls. And then we can just clean them. So then now we can make these to the proper things. You can either do up arrow, WASD. It doesn't actually really matter. I'm just doing arrows, right arrow, and down. Now we're gonna get a repeat until, duplicate this, oh yeah, and then duplicate that. So yeah, here is 4. Place 1 in each of them, and the reason we're adding this so it repeats until we stop pressing it. So it makes the game a lot smoother. So now that we got that, we need to come up to the motion area and then do change X and change Y. Y is going to be for up arrow, and then duplicate this for down arrow and just make it minus Y. Change Y by minus Y by minus 10. And then change X by 10. Let's see. This is low X, so this would go on right. You just have to duplicate this. You can actually change this number to whatever you want. And if we just press C, kind of laid out because we still haven't properly made the repeat until. We want repeat until not sensing, not key space press down. Duplicate this. Yeah, we're gonna need to do a lot of duplicating for these controls. So yeah, and then we can just remove this and this, duplicate this, press that there. Boom, then, oh, we have an extra one. Then we can just come here, and then all we need to do is just press space to the arrow. So up, down arrow, sure, up arrow, left, right. Now move this to where it's supposed to be. So right, down, up, and left. We have fully working controls, and if you press 2 controls at the same time, it works diagonally. Perfect. Now we can just make this always go here, somewhere to start off, and let's just say these coordinates are where to start off. We need to again go to this position, but then also get a when flag clicked. So then it'll always start off there. Here, now this is the fun part, making your own mazes. You can either do it as a sprite or a backdrop. I'm going to do it as a backdrop here. So, first of all, you need to make the corner where the character is. See? Make this any color. I'll just make it green so they know where to go. That's the starting line. Now, make a maze however you want it to the finish line. Then make, by coming here and then doing Command CV and bringing it all the way to the corner. Line is how you want, and then coloring this red. Now make the maze however you want. So, I'm just going to do like a simple maze because this is going to be a test. A simple one. Black comes, oops, yeah, no, we don't want one there, and we can just make it there. Don't worry, we will make it, so if you touch black, you'll lose after. Right now, we're just trying to make the maze itself. So yeah, and then maybe place walls there, that brings it to there, but then there's a wall there. I don't know, however you guys want it. This is just my base. It's an example, and then there, and then there, and then there, leading to nowhere. But then the actual thing is here, 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 and then we could just move this, and then grab the dragon tool, or using this tool, make this smaller. Down, and then move this down, and then go back to the square, and then make this the actual exit, then connecting to this. Which, now you're done. This is my maze. Right now, this maze is an easy one. Just now I just need to make this line a bit bigger. Yeah, and then make this line a bit higher. Now let's try. And if we just press this. So yeah, and then we won. So I'm only gonna make, okay, I'm just gonna make this, but then this is my second one, where I'm just gonna remove this, and move this up, then move this there, I'm gonna rotate it sideways, remove this, move it there, also move that there, and then that's done. So now we can tell the difference between these two. We can just, oops, delete and delete. That, we could just name this 1 and name this 2. You can have as many of these as you want. I'm only making 2 because this is a tutorial. Then for the backdrop, we're going to do when touching red, well, one like click, or when when sprite 1, when this is touching, we need to find it. If touching color, well, let's just make this red, or we can make this from right here, this color, red, then touching color, then we can make it win and run. So to add win, we can just do broadcast, new message, broadcast win 1, or just win. Then if touching color, if touching color, broadcast win. And then we can add a forever. This is in there, so now, if we touch the color, yeah, it gets broadcasted. But yeah. And then, we also need a way to change this every time you play. So we're going to go to operators, pick random 1 to 2, 1 to 2, so just pick some random 1 to 2, and then we need a switch backdrop, we need a switch backdrop to pick random 1 to 2. Now, if I touch the green, red, and then we need a wait, so it doesn't just happen forever. Wait, 10 seconds. Or we could just press this and then make it go to where it is right now. Wait, 1 second. Now, if we just go there, we get teleported. And it works perfectly. Wait. Yeah, finally change. So yeah, it's completely random. So now now that we got that done, now we need to add the event or thing that makes it actually work. So that adds collision. Touching the color, add from stage, black, like pure black. Wait a sec. Yeah, black. Touching color black, if touching color back, let's see, let's see what we can do. When we're touching the color black, then we can do left, go left, or go up, move, change X by 10, negative 10, minus 1, and then add this to the forever loop. So, okay, so now another thing to do. So now it just moves. But then we need to also make this, or we could just skip it. Now it's slowly moving when it's touching black. But that's more annoying and useful. So to replace change at instead of that, we could just do go to spawn. And as you can see there, we got a problem that's touching it. If that happens, this game is never going to end. So yeah, now, then if we just, yeah. Okay, so now these things are actually a problem. We could just do outline, none. Outline, none. And then make these walls thinner. And this thinner. Make this possible. Make this thinner. Make this thinner. So now I should be able to move. Oops, we need to make this thinner. What the? Yeah, and then move this with this. Now this is actually a lot more possible. Okay, now let's fix this. Now that we fixed them, so we just need to fix this, move that there, but to make this not possible, move that really there, make this possible. We need to move this down. Oh, and also fix this color, and this. Then we got this gate. It's a tiny bit very hard. It's really hard. You can make it easier by like reducing the block. But yeah. So now let's add a yeah. And that's a glitch, but that's fine. Wait 1 second. So yeah, if you do that, you have 1 second to do whatever. Because of the wait 1 second, but that's okay. Hopefully. Yeah, you can do some weird stuff using a wait 1 second glitch. Yeah, it should change. Yeah. It's fun and hard. Yeah, I messed up at the end. Here's the thing with this. Okay, one more thing is come here. Make this, that's good. Make this taller. This lower, but keep that there. Because we want it to still be a challenge, but keep this in. Now you can use what you know. Hard. But then every time, now let's add a win screen. Let's just do a winner. Oops. Winner, and then just change the font. Pixelated winner. Make this any color that stands out, like red. Winner. And then make this pop up when I receive win. When I receive win, then we can just do looks and then show. Wait 1 second, then like wait a second, and then hide. And when flag clicked, show. Hide, sorry. And now, if we get it, it should say if we won. Let's just fake. Oops. I don't know how that's. Oops. Then remove this down. And now, let's maybe make this size tiny bit smaller, like 35. So it's actually like winner. Yeah, now you can actually see if you're a winner. You can make this a lot harder and change a lot of stuff up. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye. And but before you finish your project up, make sure you play test it, then save it and publish it. Bye.